There guys, how you going? It's Lochie and Charlie. G'day from Australia.
Morning everyone. Today Lochie and I were struggling, what should we have for breakfast? Then it struck us, we should go for a camp classic, fried G.
So, to follow along with our fried G, what you're going to need is, per person, we kind of just roughed the recipe a bit, but around a third a cup of oats, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/4 of a cup of butter, and then 1 or 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips, depending on how much you want to spoil yourself today. If you want to add some peaches or strawberries on top, we love to, so we've opted for that, but you can do whatever you like. Righto, so you want to start off with your butter, you want to melt that in. So Charlie and I are cooking enough for 3 people, so we're putting in 3/4 of a cup of butter, and we're just melting that up. Now, obviously melts pretty fast because of the fire, but as soon as that kind of starts melting, you want to get your oats in pretty fast to fry them up. So yeah, as the butter melts up a bit, give it a squish around, pour in your oats, start stirring. Now, not many people know this, but the frying part of the G, the granola, is why it's called fried G. The more you know.
So our favourite bit, the chocolate chips, you want maybe 1 or 2 tablespoons into the fried G.
We've been cooking this for about maybe 2 minutes now, and it's getting real close to being done. We've just added our chocolate, one of the last stages, because the chocolate's the thing that melts and just sticks to the bottom of your fry pan. And if you've ever been unlucky enough to have a staff member who wasn't paying a lot of attention, you've had that lovely burnt fried G. So it's looking like that. It's looking pretty good. Now normally this is the part where the fire dies down completely because your campers didn't collect enough firewood and you're just left with lukewarm hard chocolate fried G.
Alright then, so once the chocolate is fully melted into the fried G, we can then serve that up. Get yourself a nice little serving there.
You got to get your classic camping plastic bowl, like on trip, for
the full camper experience.
Yeah, full camper experience. Now Charlie and I are going to go ahead and slap on some peaches and strawberries. I love the peaches, you just get a bit of juice in because it's so dry. And the strawberries just because it's my favourite. It's good.
Fruity.
Very good. Look at us.
Look at this.
Who'd have thought?
Not me.
It's childproof.
Can you eat away?
I left my spoon in the butter.
And here we have the finished product.
It is.
Alright, that was Charlie and Lochie's guide to fried G. Thank you for following along.
Take a photo of your fried G, comment it below. Let us know what you do to spice up your fried G. So we did peaches and strawberries. Let us know what you do to spice it up. Or, yeah.
Alright,
Cheers.
g'day.
Thank you. Yeah.